are we?
Paultons Park.
We're at Paultons Park. Sun's out. Sorry?
Have you been on here before?
Oh yeah. It's his favourite ride.
Yeah, same.
He's done 57 coasters and it's his favourite one. 57. Right, hold on for the first bit and then it's hands up all the way because it hurts.
Why do you keep your hands up the whole time?
That bit, hands up. Don't know, man. Whoa. There we go. That's good fun, wasn't it? Busy here now at Paultons Park. It's 2:15. We've done every major coaster here. We've done most of the coasters at least twice. So we've just done Storm Chaser again just after lunch, and it's become his #1 in the UK again. Cobra was there. We've done it about 5, 6, 7 times. Unbelievable ride. So I'm going to give you some lovely footage here of Storm Chaser going around. Honestly, it's such a great park. Yeah, it's a little bit busier now. So yeah, we're not. This morning we managed to bang everything out in the first 2 hours. Now after lunch, 2 o'clock, it's a little bit busier. 15-20 minute queue lines. Here's your footage. Yeah, we will. So yeah, Jackson felt a bit ill on this on the first thing this morning. He went a little bit green. So, but he's just been on back row on this, where it's most intense. Yeah, he absolutely loved it. How good was it, Jackson? They'll be able to see him going over our heads in a minute. Stay here, please. What's this? And into the brake run. Yeah, that. There goes the Rio Grande. Right, so you can get Dole Whips here. £3.20. So it's a pineapple thing. The only last time I saw something like this was in America, in Disney World. Yeah, the bin's just there, just there. So yeah, this, yeah, if you can't see a bin, within 10 feet of you in this park, you're in the zoo. So what we're going to do, give Jackson a quick taste of the Dole Whip. Let me get a photo of you first. So Jackson, what do you think of the Dole Whip? Yeah? You like it? Pineapple flavour, isn't it? Well, it started to rain again. Yeah, it's been a bit drizzly today, but we haven't needed our coats or anything. And Jackson's seen this ice cream. Can I try some? Through Peppa Pig World. Yeah, just giving you a quick look. There's Pepper and George over there. You see Cloud Ride. It makes you very ill, that one, I find. And then you've got a balloon ride there. Now, I think I've shown this all before in the previous vlogs. So we managed to get on a few rides because we came here at Halloween and it was dead. And it was dark. All the little ones have gone home. So, helicopter ride. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not that bad at all. 5-minute wait for a ride up here. 5-minute ride for a Peppa Pig ride? That's unusual. Might give that a go. Looks like Grandpa's car or something. That's not Daddy Pig's car ride. Yeah, so if it's 5 minutes, we'll give that a go. Yeah, so it's 2:30 now, and it's a 5-minute wait for Daddy Pig's car ride. So we're going to give it a go. Jason's going to look at the roads and see where we're going, because otherwise we're going to crash into the pink house. Do not look where you're going. Oh, 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 it's broken down, hasn't it? Trying to fix it. Oh, lights green. Go, go, go. Oh no. Jackson, you went through red lights. And there's someone waiting to cross the zebra crossing. You didn't even let them cross. Oh, wow. I don't think Jackson's going to get his driving licence. There we go. There you go. There's Daddy's Pig's car ride. Did you enjoy that, Jackson? Was it good? We've got the big thrills of the roller coasters and love these little rides. Fun. I don't know. We're going to go. Yeah, so yeah, Daddy's Pig car ride. It's not even a long queue for the train ride here either. A couple of trains you can be on. And Jackson's just literally ran onto Grandpa Pig's boat ride. Got Grandpa Pig's boat ride there. And you've got the Royal Carousel too, which is a nice little track ride over there. After a couple of little rides there in Peppa Pig World, we're going to get and see the animals, which is just here. And the meerkats are lively. They're sleeping. Look, that one's digging over there.
Where?
Oh, he was digging. Stop now.
That one's laying on his tail.
You want to tickle his tummy? Look at that, aren't they cute?
Look at that one there. That
Yeah.
one's his one. Oh, look, some out there.
They're watching the birds, they're watching the seagulls.
Oh.
So they've got little nighttime animals. Can't really show you much, you know. Some really weird looking animals. Kangaroo hopping like mouse thing. Jerboa. Really weird looking thing. But yeah, no, really cool. And we're walking through a little birdie enclosure where you can walk around and birds are flying around.
Look.
Yes, lots of them. There's one up there, pretty one up in the corner. Got some lovely little, well, little, not so little, big tortoises. There's a little pirate ship. So if you walked around the back, that's Peppa Pig World over there. We've just walked all the way around to the back here. There's the pirate ship. Off the fence. So we're just going to walk up this way. There's teacups and there's a little a list of all the things that they got on here today. Oh, disappear quick. Look at the queue times. Why wouldn't you want to come here? Queue times. Yeah, they cut the numbers down. They also got I was talking to someone and they said, I'll show you in a minute, come September you'll see some construction happening here at Paultons Park. Not where the offices are. I think my guess is when they finish the offices, I think they get rid of the bits here. I think it's over there next to the edge in that field. I think theme park worldwide pointed it out. Could be opening soon, so yeah, be interesting to see.
Oh my god!
Look at it's like that.
You got open your eyes! You got open your eyes!
So that concludes the day at Paultons Park. What should the boys and girls do if they like the video?
I like this guy and take a photo.
Have you had a nice day today?
Oh yeah.
How many times have you been on Cobra?
10, 20, 30.
10 times. How many times have you been on Tornado, on Storm Chaser? About 10 times as well.
Yeah.
Been twice on nearly every other coaster as well. You've had a great day, haven't you? So if they like this video, give it a...
Subscribe and like, and then you want to watch the video again.